True innovation often starts from humble origins. A trickle in the right direction. And then destiny becomes embedded, driven by natural and fundamental forces that brave all restraints, until it becomes a power overcoming all obstacles in the mission to fulfill its ultimate destiny. Rarely does a solution emerge that's clearly better, but when the emergence of the extraordinary does happen, it finds a way to reach people, to spark passion, to create true loyalty, and draw a community of like-minded people who accomplish great things together, and eventually break through and reach the world. When destiny is driven by passion and something better, it's determined to overcome all obstacles, find answers, and above all, to achieve superior performance. The will to innovate finds a way to break through, no matter what the geographic, culture, economic, business, or political barriers. This is the story of Odoo. It's a story of simple beginnings, inspired by broad capability, but motivated by user simplicity. Odoo's open-source ERP is rapidly becoming a global force. The reasons aren't hard to understand. Supremely flexible, efficiently scalable, and simply more competitive. Odoo is the one end-to-end open-source ERP that has changed the game. From a farming town in the Wallonia region of Belgium, which led the Industrial Revolution in Europe, comes a true category leader. Odoo offers superior capability that provides the power to create, extend, or defend a competitive business advantage.
So this is where the developers sit. So that's part of the ongoing renovation. So that's where Fabien, our founder, sits and think about the future of Odoo and how we will take over the world of business applications. And this is where all the technical consultants work on projects.
It's amazing how much you guys are growing and how this is all changing so quickly here.
It is, and this is not big enough for us, so we're buying a new farm to accommodate for even more people. So as we speak, we are also renovating another farm a few blocks away, and some people will move from here to the other farm in a few months.
It's uncommon performance that has driven Odoo from a farmhouse in Grande Rosière to expanding headquarters and armies of partners on 4 continents. When something is superior, it finds a way to rise. How is Odoo blazing a new trail in open source ERP? An awesome combination: multi-currency, multi-enterprise, multi-industry, multi-country, and managed out of the box with easy configurations, while delivering the processing power and scalability of the most expensive ERP, all at a fraction of the cost. No wonder so many flock to Odoo each year. Starting in a farmhouse just a few short years ago, to single-handedly changing the way ERP software is created, leveraged, and deployed. No matter how humble the beginnings, great ideas, better processes, and more effective methods always triumph.
Odoo has a global community, and at Open Source Integrators, we're able to access the best parts of it through our relationships with others, and what we're able to offer our customers is something where we bring the best people in the world to the table to help them solve their problems.
Something I've noticed, Fabrice, is how the customers that are interested in Odoo are seeing it as part of the early mainstream of technology now. Doing ERP has been challenging for a long time, But I think something you've done and we continue to believe in is taking some of the mystery out of it and make it more accessible for people to start to see how this could work for them. If a customer is considering Odoo,
Yeah.
what are the top 2 or 3 things that that will make Odoo a great decision for them?
Freedom.
Okay.
The second is freedom,
Yes.
and third is freedom.
Okay. We're pretty pleased with being able to use Odoo as the core technology for what we want to offer our customers and be able to work with customers that continue to have demanding needs and challenging circumstances. I am fascinated by the fact that we are able to build these multi-currency, multi-company, multi-country accounting systems jointly between these different geographies. To me, that's one of the strengths of Odoo is we're able to manage all those things more or less out of the box with just some configuration.
No matter how great the forces, no matter how high the barrier, or strongly entrenched the incumbent, determination and purity of focus always finds its destiny.